How to share YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. So here is a quick and easy guide to share your YouTube channel link on WhatsApp in your phone, either in iOS or Android. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the YouTube app on a mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your YouTube account. Once inside the YouTube app, tap on your profile or profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then, once inside the profile section, you will get to see your name at the top. Now, all you have to do is tap on that name. Now, once you tap on that name, you will get to see three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then, the options will be available. From there, tap on the share icon available there. Now, scroll or swipe and choose for the WhatsApp option available there. Now once you tap on the WhatsApp, you will be navigated to your WhatsApp friend groups, and now from here scroll down and choose any according to your preferences. Now all you have to do is tap on the circle icon available there and tap on the send option available at the top right corner of your screen, and your YouTube channel link will be sent easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.